Hey, so at the Irving Nature Park in St. John, West Side, we're going into the maze, and going to check it out. It's been a few years since I've been in here,
My channel too.
so
you're gonna protect the monster.
yeah. Here we go.
Come on, Layla. So he's gonna pretend that we're monsters. Yeah. We're on my channel. Here's the exercise thing.
Amazing mazes. They contain over 3,800 eastern cedars and were planted in 1998. There's the map.
It looks so small. Dada.
Okay, so can you see which way to go in?
No. Yeah, we'll know. Layla, right there. Look, there's entrance. Dada.
We are here.
Dada.
There's the map.
Are you doing this for my channel?
The mazes are locked at 8 p.m.
So it's my channel. So
Irving Nature Park.
He's the monster and kicks us. We get how about 5 seconds to run through and hide.
Well, it won't matter because I won't be able to find you either way.
Okay, just chase us. Yeah, this way. 3. Once he steps in, he has to chase us. 2, 1.
Here we go.
Go, run.
See how long it takes us to get through. The kids are hiding on me. I don't think that's part of it. I think they went through that hole there. It's not supposed to go through there. Let's go this way. What? Four. Where? Did you leave? Hey, I found the middle already. Here's the middle. I got to the middle, just like that. Now that's locked because I've been in here many times before and got lost. And today I found it almost immediately. There's a view from the other side. It's hard to see because of the sunshine and printer just over top of us right there. It's about 3:30 in the afternoon. So that's our walk through the big maze at the Irving Nature Park.